Greetings, my fellow descendants. It's your boy Rejection Pro, and I'm back with yet another interesting tutorial. Please make sure that you do subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like, share it with your friends, guys. I'm on Facebook too. We're on Instagram. We're on TikTok. Cymaster ZA, guys. Let's all have fun, guys. Let's all have fun with it, guys. So today, guys, I want to talk about a very sensitive topic in South Africa, and it's why you keep on getting rejected at varsity, right? Why you keep getting rejected at varsity? That's the question. Are we fine? Right. So number one, you're probably asking yourself a question: why you're not getting accepted? And some people are learning and they're actually prospering with this education thing, right? So I'm going to tell you. Number one, obviously, I know you probably don't meet the minimum requirements, right? You don't meet minimum requirements. Right? You probably didn't get that 50 that they want in mathematics, but you still want to become a doctor whatsoever. So I'm gonna give you a solution to this, guys. I want to help you guys out. If you did not reach the minimum requirements, okay, most of you guys go for a rewrite or an upgrade, right? But I recommend a rewrite, right? I recommend or I prefer a rewrite. Why? An upgrade you write in June, right? The people that are going to be marking the script, it's people from the department. Two, they are angry that when you feel like they've robbed you or they've ripped you off, you don't believe in their judgment in the final examination. Three, there's less time to prepare for an upgrade than a rewrite. So what are the advantages of a rewrite? Remember, a rewrite will be able to, you have more time, number one. Number two, a rewrite will be marked with all these papers that they would be marking, including all these high schools and whatsoever. So you stand a better chance of getting higher marks or improving, right? So another thing, if you don't meet the minimum requirements, choose another course with lower requirements, right? Choose a different course with lower requirements, guys. If you can't get what you want, choose a different course with lower requirements, then switch when you're inside. For example, if I want to become a doctor and they want 60% for maths and I have 40, then I can just choose maybe BCom management. And then as time goes on, I go then internally, then I start switching. I hope I'm making sense. Last but not least, you can actually apply for a bridging or a higher certificate, right? Okay, number two, the reason why you keep getting rejected at varsity. It's usually because they would say to you the course is too full, space constraints, right? They'll say to you the space constraints, the course is too full. You understand what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna tell you something. When it comes to medicine, law, you understand what I'm saying? Finance, there's a lot of people that apply for that. Everybody wants to be a doctor. Everyone wants to be a doctor. Everyone wants to be a pilot and whatsoever, actual science and whatsoever. So, what do I recommend to you? What do I recommend for you? When they have space constraints, what you can do is choose a similar course. Choose something that doesn't have a lot of hype. You know, when everyone wants to be a doctor, you just go for something that is like management, technology, or something like that. Something that doesn't have a lot of buzz. Do that and then switch later on. I hope I'm making sense. And then sometimes what makes you guys not to get space at varsity is your language, right? The language requirements. A language is very, very important. Hence, I am an English tutor. I am here to help you out. If your English is not above 50%, you're not going to be accepted in university. It must be above 50%. Your home language, it must be of 50%. You understand? Language subjects determine your entry at varsity level. It's number one. That's your key. So make sure that you get higher marks for your language subjects. I hope I'm making sense. Then sometimes it's because you have no funding. So universities do not accept application because there's no proof of funding, or because there's nothing that proves that you're going to be able to pay for the course. So they might be running at a loss. so they don't accept you because of that. So what do I prefer? I say you guys should apply at all varsities, right? If you're not you don't have a problem with traveling or living in another province, but do not only aim for your main course. Let's just say I want to be a doctor and I'm given 3 options by maybe UJ or whatsoever. The other 2 must be maybe your diplomas, and that's what I'm saying, your higher certificate. That's going to ensure that you actually get into their system. Once you're in the UJ or VET system, you can actually play around with them and be able to like switch the following year into something else. And guys, this school, it doesn't end. You can go to school for 8 years and become what you want to be. It doesn't mean that you must go straight. There's so many ways. There's more than 9 ways to kill a kid. Doesn't matter how you killed it, as long as you ate. I hope I'm making sense. From me, your boy K Pro, I'm out of here.